So for number 2 from today's exit ticket, we have the coefficients of the polynomial that's going to be divided, and this is the root of the divisor, and we know that this is going to be 0. So let me see if I can go first like that, and then I can go this way, and we can get W, and then we can move on. So that's going to be 24, and then multiplication, that's negative 28, and then if you add these, that's negative 30. And if you multiply these, that's positive 35, and then I'll stop here, and now let's go this ways. And I have this here ready. So let's see. So that's 0. Then this is positive 63. And then to find the missing piece there, I go 63 divided by the number on the outside, negative 7/6. And that says negative 54. And then to find this one, I go this minus the top. So negative 54 minus the top number, that says 21. And you can check this because if you add these numbers, this is what you get. And so now what's next? Now I need this number here. So to get that, I go 21 divided by the number on the outside, the negative 7/6. And that says negative 18. And then to find this one, I go that minus the top. So that's negative 18, take away a negative 11. And that says negative 7, because if you add these, that's that much. And now to find this one, I go negative 7 divided by the number on the outside, negative 7/6. And this says positive 6. And so this means that this has to be 0. And then what does this have to be? Well, do what you've been doing before. Take 0 and divide it by that number, but that's going to be 0. And so now I have this here, and I can go W plus 35 equals 0. And so this tells us that W equals negative 35. And so if you look at the actual worksheet, it tells you now that you know W, you know that R of X equals the square root of X minus 35 minus 5. And then you know that's for R. And if you look at the worksheet, to build H, you have to go negative 2 times some stuff plus 3. Where in here, if you look at the worksheet, this has to be R of X, which is the square root of X minus 35 minus 5. And we can distribute this. That'll be negative 2 square root of X minus 35 plus 10 plus 3. And that gives you this here, plus 13. And so this is H of X. And the goal is to find H of 71. Let's pretend that says 71 there. And so this would equal negative 2. 71 minus 35 plus 13. And on a calculator, this would be positive 1. So that's how they got that answer.